In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn your everyday photo into cash. What if I told you that you can earn $10 for every photo you upload on this particular app? Yes, you heard me right. It sounds great, right? Ensure you watch this video to the end because this app might just be your lucky boss of making an extra money online without paying anything. You're welcome to this channel if you're seeing it for the first time. My name is Stacy, and more often than not, I talk about how to make money online. If you're interested in this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video about how to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you an app that pays you to upload your picture online. Now, you don't need to be a professional photographer. So far, you can capture a photo, a picture properly with your phone and upload it. You can actually make money on this platform. And the good part is that it must not be your personal photo. It can be photo for it can be picture photo of food or your favorite meal. It can be photo of your favorite artists. It can be pictures of nature, adventure, any type of photo. You can actually upload it on this app and you get paid. Now I'll be showing you how you can get this app, the process of maximizing your chances of making money from this app. I'll walk you through step by step on how you can start up, how you can sign up, and I'll also tell you the process of making withdrawal because there are a lot of different apps online people have been talking about, and at the end of the day, you won't get to make withdrawals. So I will be telling you the process of withdrawing from this app. It is a great app you want to try. And the good part is that you are not investing anything. So it's worth trying. I'll be showing you the process using my phone screen. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. Type FOAP. Then click. There's the app. Install it. So when you finish downloading, you open it. It will bring it to this interface. So as you can see, say your everyday photos, become better photographer. You can swipe to see these are pictures, photos that are trending here. And see this photo is sold for $10. This one is sold for $100. These are photos that won in a mission for MasterCard. This one now won $200 in a mission for Bank of America. I just swipe to see photos that are here already. This particular photo is sold for $10. So you can then you now click start using the app. Click here, start using the app. Then you create your accounts. Put your email address, your username, create your password, then you create your account. Once you create your account, it will bring you to this interface. Welcome, let's get started. FOAP is your gateway to amazing brand collaborations. Let's get to know you better so we can match you with the perfect opportunity. So you click on start. So the first thing to do is to set up your account. To select your country, click on next. Select your gender. Next, set up your account. Type your bio. Set up your bio and then select your portfolio. You can set up your portfolio with all these things given here. Example of your work are the most powerful way to convince brand to collaborate with you. Profile with a complete portfolio are 90% more likely to be selected by brands. So for brand to select to recommend your photos and your pictures, you need to set up your portfolio. They also give tips for building your portfolio. Showcase your best work, include variety to show your range, focus on quality and authenticity, keep it cohesive, show how your present product, story, or situation. So these are tips that will make your photo visible and can be recommended so you can sell. And for you to keep building your portfolio, you need to upload up to 4 photos, 4 videos. 0 or 4 videos. Profile with 4 videos have 90% higher chances to be chosen for collaboration, for brand. And also you upload videos, you also upload photos as well. That's how to build your portfolio. Then you click on finish. For your photos to get the opportunity of being recommended to be sold, you need to complete your portfolio by uploading 4 different videos and 4 pictures to build your portfolio. You can actually skip it, and when you skip it, just remember that you will not have high chances of your photo being recommended. Different ways you can earn from here. Number 1 is mission. You can sign up for different missions. You can see those that are already winning, people that contested for different missions, and there are so many missions you can join to participate. This mission was done in December, and the price to be won was $50. This other one was also in December, to be won $5. So these are different missions you can participate. So when you see any mission available, you can just send your picture, participate in that mission, and if you're lucky, you'll be selected as one of the winners and you earn any amount attached to the mission. This is one of the ways you can earn. Apart from selling your photos, you can also participate in missions and win. Click on crowd. These are people you can follow to have better understanding of your interests and can suggest your mission and crowd that may interest you. So when you follow 1 or 2 or 3 persons, they recommend 5 persons, you will get you have better understanding of your interest. The app will have better understanding of your interest and then suggest missions and crowd that may interest you. So you scroll to choose any crowd that you want to follow. A lot of them. Choose from your area of interest. You can also choose MasterCard, follow them. So from whatever crowd you're following, that will suggest the kind of mission they will recommend to you, and how they will recommend your photos as well. So there are a lot of crowd here you can follow depending on your area of interest. This is award the people that have won the missions. This is what they won. This person won $400 for the mission she participated in. This person won $400 as well. These are different persons that received their award. So just this video that made this person to win $400. Just your future. This one's for video. They say have for photos. You can see this photo got $10. These photos, all these photos you're seeing here, they're sold for $10. So once your photo is recommended and they find it very attractive and very creative, you will earn. Okay, for people that might be asking, can you withdraw? What is the minimum amount one can withdraw? Yes, you can make withdrawal, but I created this account just for this video, so there is no earning yet. So the minimum amount you can withdraw is $50. As you can see, you can click on this withdrawal, and when you click on this withdrawal, say you need to have at least $50 in order to make a withdrawal. So you can actually make a withdrawal through your PayPal account. You can create a PayPal account if you don't have one and link it to your app, and you'll be able to make withdrawal. Once you make up to $50 and above, you can actually make a withdrawal from this app. And if you have any issue, you can always contact their support and they will be of service. So it's something worth trying. You're not paying money to upload your photos. You can just upload a photo. It must not be a photo of yourself. It can be a photo of nature, of food, um anything, or photo of people, celebrities, any photo. It mustn't be your own photo. You can just create the account and begin to upload, follow the crowd and see if your photo can be recommended. One photo can just give you, if you win any of their mission, one photo can give you up to $400. That will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're yet to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on how to make money online. See you in my next video.